we have been? PacSun just dropped the Essential Fairy Guide today at 1 p.m. Where y'all at, y'all? Listen, I was at Haywood Mall in Greenville, South Carolina, and there was barely anybody there. I got to grab a lot of good pieces, y'all. So if you guys want to see the trip, if y'all want to see this spring collection, make sure to keep on watching, y'all. It's lit. It's so cute.
I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot.
What's up, y'all? So today, you guys already know, today was the drop. Hello. Today was the drop. If you did not know, Essentials drop in PacSun, and I had to get some pieces, y'all. So if you did not know, Essentials Fairy Guide dropped in PacSun today, April 28th at 1 p.m. It dropped, y'all. Y'all, what's up? I'm about to show y'all these pieces. To share, comment, like, all that. Yeah. And hit the notification bell if you want to know when I post videos. So let's get into this. I guess when they ship the product to the store, y'all, when they ship the product to the store, it comes in these bags, and they took them all off the bags and they had them hung up, and I'll insert a clip so y'all can see. So they had all the product hung up, and the colors this season were really nice. So it is the spring collection. It's really nice. So this is the bag, y'all. This is how the bag looks. It has just like a little zip thing up here. Look at that. Makeup on. I really didn't want to try on the pieces that I had because I don't want to get makeup on it. And yeah. So first off, let's start off with these shorts, y'all. Essentials Fairy Guide running shorts. So okay, so this is the front of them. This is how the back looks, and this is in the side. Everything ran smaller this season. I think last season the stuff was a little bit bigger, a bigger fit. These are the Seafoam running shorts. This is a size small. Oh my gosh. I feel like I should have got a medium. I thought it was gonna be running big a little bit. Even though people say these were running a little smaller, but like I thought they meant that just like in the top part, the sweaters and the shirts. So I'm a little bit nervous about the stuff that I got because now they didn't let you try on none of the stuff in the store. So I'm looking at everything a little big. So I don't know. I got everything different. So I'm a little nervous now. But so these are the running shorts. The front has like the little logo in the front. These in person they look a little more green-ish. I don't know, on camera they might not. I don't know how they're picking up against my skin. But yeah, so these are, and it has the Essentials logo on the front. It has 2 pockets. And this is how the back looks. Yeah, so, and it has a drawstring to make it tighter. If I could go back and pick another size, I would pick a medium instead of the small. And so yeah, but anyways, they look good. I like them. I'll have to lose some weight so I can keep them because these $70 shorts, y'all. I had got this essential. Oh my gosh, I got this in a. Oh my god, I don't even know. I hope this fits. I got this in a extra small, and so it's just like a basic t-shirt. I like the way this fits. This is the extra small in the 1977 t-shirt with the detail on the back with the logo, and this is just like the see if you can see the essential sweatpants, and this is in the color. This is in my God, listen. This is extra small. It's tight. I should have got a small or a medium right now. Oh, the lettering is not flat on the shirt. It's like, it's raised up a little bit, and it's like this suede type of material. And then the shirt feels like a really good cotton material. And then the pants, I'm sorry, I didn't mean loud. Okay. Anyway, so that's this outfit, y'all. And so really like, I love this. I love the way it feels. It feels mad comfortable. It feels such good quality. So this one is $50, and this is the Desert Taupe in the long sleeve. This is in the size small, and it feels and kind of looks big, but that's kind of like the style of it. I like this neck part like this. I don't know why, but I do. And I really like it. It's long in the back. It's really cute. I like this. I'm like feeling this a lot. Like I really like this. Like this is comfortable. I like this. And this is in the small. So yeah, I'm feeling this. I'm sure like the extra small will fit a little bit better and maybe a little bit tighter, but I'm feeling like the way this is, like I like this a lot. So this right here is the Desert Taupe. Desert Taupe, size small. But here has the Essentials logo. It's raised up. It's not flat on the shirt. It's really cute. I like it. I think. Oh, it has a little logo in the back. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it has a little logo, Essentials logo on the back. Really cute, y'all. And then I think I got the sweater with this. This is the thing though. The sweater. I got the sweater extra small. I'm scared. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I don't lie to y'all, I was really nervous putting this on, but I love the fit. It's exactly what I was like envisioning. It's really cute. I like the way it fits. It's still like oversized, but you know, you can still see like your body and stuff. So I think it's really cute. I really like it. It has a pocket in the front. The logo here on the hoodie part, there's a logo right there. Really cute. I'm loving this. I love this Desert Taupe. I can't wait till my little other stuff comes in. It's gonna be so cute together. And yeah, so here's how this looks. Really cute. I love it. I love this color. Remember, y'all, this is Desert Taupe. So cute. This is the oak color, and it is in the men's. It's 80. But here's how the sweater looks. This is a medium. And this right here is the sweatshirt, and then got the shorts to go with it. This is in a size medium. The shorts were 70. This is in the oak color. And it has the logo in the front with a drawstring. It has the Essentials logo right there. Okay, and the last piece right here is a sweatshirt just like this one, and is in a size small. And look how big it is. This is in a size small, and this is the oak color, and the sweatshirt with the hoodie is 90. Essentials logo. Got it on the front. Yeah. And this stuff, like, the stuff is really heavy. Like, super heavy, y'all. You have Desert Taupe. You have oak. This is Seafoam. And then this is light oatmeal. So I want y'all to see the colors. So you got light oatmeal, Desert Taupe, Seafoam, and you got oak. These are the way the colors look. really nice colors. Okay, anyways, that's it for my haul, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys can now kind of like distinguish the colors, because on the website it's really hard to know what's what and how it really looks truly in person. So I didn't get all the colors, but I got a lot of them, most of them. I know I'm backed up a lot of videos, y'all. Videos are coming, even if they're a little old, you know, from like last month, February and March. Those vlogs are, I'm still gonna post those vlogs. So, and then I'm gonna do a little update on everything that's going on with me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And this is your Essential Spirit of God haul, you know, unboxing haul, all that. And thank you guys for watching. Bye. God bless y'all.